wonder if I look at something like this, I can figure out which direction she was going in.
Let's go figure it out. When I bike through a puddle, this is the trajectory that my tires made.
I wanted to figure out if she was leaving school or coming to school just based off the tracks her tires made.
We can solve this problem using calculus.
I brought in some of the top students from Mr. Yoon's C-Block calculus class to help us figure it out.
The front wheel has a wider range of horizontal motion because that's the wheel is steering, and then the back wheel always follows behind. We know that bike tires are fixed in position, so the front and back wheels are always the same distance apart. We know that the front tire has a greater range of motion, so we can conclude that the path that the front tire takes is A.
Since we now know that the front tire is A, we want to figure out if the bike is moving from left to right or right to left just by looking at this graph. So our next step is to use tangent lines to solve that problem.
We can consider the distance from the front and back tire as a constant called r. And the first step of solving this equation, or this problem, is drawing a tangent line
Because the rear wheel is fixed, we can draw tangent lines tangent to the B line, and the distance between the B and the A track should be the exact same at all instances in the correct direction. As we can see, the direction is the distance is only the right length, or R, when you're going from right to left, which means the bike is traveling from right to left. As you can see, if we move from left to right, the distances between the two tracks changes drastically when we draw a tangent line from the B track. Because of this, the bike cannot be moving from left to right. As you can see here, the distance between the two tracks when drawing a tangent line is very small, but the distance here is very large. Because of this, you can see that when we move from left to right, R is not constant, and therefore it is not correct.
So thank you to all my favorite Calc 12 students who helped me understand the solution to this problem.